In this video, we're going to cover how you can rank #1 on ChatGPT for local businesses. The truth is, right now, Google rankings matter, but there's a whole new traffic source that most businesses are currently ignoring. When people ask ChatGPT who's the best plumber, who's the best roofer, who's the best dentist in their city, someone always gets recommended. And I could show you, even with one of my clients, we have very optimized Google business profiles and also website. He's currently ranking #1 on ChatGPT whenever I search up what is the best roofer in San Jacinto, California. So this definitely plays a role because as Google search becomes less and less prominent and ChatGPT and AI search becomes more prominent, what happens is if you don't have your local SEO and local Google business profile dialed in, you're not going to get recommended while your competitors are. So let's go ahead and talk about how we can actually get ranked #1 on ChatGPT. So here's why ChatGPT rankings matter. ChatGPT doesn't just rank businesses randomly. It pulls from trusted sources, consistent data, and authority signals just like Google, but it's faster. So if your business is invisible here, you're missing all the future demand once we shift fully into ChatGPT and AI search. And here's how ChatGPT decides who to recommend. So it looks for confidence, it looks for consistency, and not just hacks. So ask one question. Does this business clearly exist? And do enough trusted sources agree with this decision? And step #1 is the Google business profile. And this is the foundation of ranking on ChatGPT. The primary category is going to be most important, like I've said in a lot of other videos that you can check out in this channel. And you have to have your services fully filled out, description matches your website, and then all the reviews mention the city and also the service. So for example, for my client that's in San Jacinto, the reviews that we have are going to mention the city and the service. And that's what gets them to rank. #2 is the website. So website is a source of truth in ChatGPT. Basically, how ChatGPT was trained, it's all AI is just a numbers game. And it's just a vector of an array of bunch of numbers. And whenever you ask a question, ChatGPT is going to try to find the most relevant, closest answer to the question that you have. So whenever it was trained, it was parsing all the websites that are currently out in the market. So it trusts websites that are clear and specific, and a homepage is not alone. So here is exactly how I structure the website so I can rank on ChatGPT. #1 is the homepage. So service plus city and the H1 tag. So the ChatGPT, all the parsers, and also the human can see exactly the service you offer and the city that you offer. Service pages, all the areas that you serve and all the services that you have. Create a page for all of those things. FAQ. So if anybody goes to ChatGPT and asks any questions about a certain city and what roof installation does for a certain city or plumbing in a certain city, you're going to have answers that ChatGPT can respond to. It's going to be the most closely matched with what ChatGPT is going to respond to. On top of that, having testimonials and reviews and mentioning the keyword and the service you're trying to rank in those reviews is very important and to have on your website, also Google business profile. Step #3 is basically consistent third-party signals. So ChatGPT doesn't just trust you, it just trusts what other people say about you. So having a Facebook business page, having Yelp, be on local directories, be on industry sites, have to have the same name, same service, same city, same address, same phone number everywhere, the exact same. And this sends consistent signals back to Google and also ChatGPT. Step #4 is the social proof. So basically having that trust multiplier. Reviews don't just convert customers, they train AI who to trust. So your reviews must mention the city plus state. Replies to reviews reinforce relevance and show that you're active. And then volume plus freshness plus velocity of reviews matter a lot. So ChatGPT is going to take a look at, are you actually getting your reviews on a consistent basis? If yes, it means that you're constantly doing good work. It's going to rank you way top on Google Map Pack and also on ChatGPT. So if you're interested in any of these, we do have a link in the description for our software that basically automates all of this. And you could go ahead and just sign up, or you can also book a call with my team to get this sorted out for your local business or if you're agency, and you can white label us to serve your customers. Step #5 are activity signals. So AI favors businesses that look alive. No activity equals no confidence. So this has to be Google business posts and you have to be consistent. So we recommend 2 per week. Having updated photos on your website, on your Google business profile, having social updates. So social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, update that on a consistent basis. Also updating your website whenever things change. If you have new reviews, we want to display those new reviews. And here's why most businesses will miss this, because most local businesses are still playing yesterday's SEO game, if they're even playing SEO game at all. And chances are SEO agencies are charging a boat ton for these type of services, anywhere from $2K to upwards of $10K per month. But the ones who win next are the ones who are building AI visibility now. So essentially automate all of this with AI without having to pay expensive agencies for the same service. If you're interested in how you can actually rank just like all my customers, click the link in the description. You go ahead and sign up. We're not going to charge an arm and a leg. Or if you're an agency, go ahead and book a call down below as well with my team member or me and myself, and we'll do a demo of what our software does and the results that we could provide your clients. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video. And I hope you got some nuggets, and let's start ranking number one on ChatGPT. All right, catch you in the next video.